Have you ever wanted to push a magic button and have your WordPress website built for you instantly? Hey y'all, my name is Kori Ashton and I just got through building out an entire 5-page website that included a blog with 10Web's AI Builder. Guess how long it took me? Less than 5 minutes. I'm going to show you this AI Builder and its top 4 features right now. You'll be able to build content 10 times faster using the 10Web AI Builder. You'll get started by creating an account. I'll put a link to that in the description box below. Then you'll click Create a New WordPress Website. You'll start by choosing your business type. They've got a lot to choose from. For this example, I chose yoga. The next step is answering just a couple of simple questions like your company name. They ask you then to describe your company in around 100 characters. They want you to include some keyword-rich content so that they get an idea of what you provide. Next, you can offer your 3 main services or features that you provide. Another step is to include your contact information. And lastly, you'll choose a tone of voice. This is where the magic begins. The first step that the AI system does is it generates the actual WordPress website. Step 2, it generates the text. Step 3, it generates the images. And within a matter of minutes, you actually have a fully functioning WordPress website that you're able to use today. The moment you're done with this can be live. You can connect it to your domain name. You can come in and change the colors. You can change out the photos, or you can use these images that are provided because they're completely royalty-free. But you're going to be able to see really quickly this beautiful website ready for you to add your logo and go. And when you're ready to make even more changes, you'll be able to do that by using their drag and drop page builder that's based on Elementor. You can easily change text, drag an image, and drop it right in. And one of its coolest features is you can convert your Wix, Squarespace, or other CMS website to this AI Builder in just a couple of clicks. I hope you're just as excited as I am about this incredible tool. Please go try it out. You can start totally for free. Check it out and see if you can build out that WordPress website that you've always wanted to have. I'll put the link over to their website in the description box below, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, everyone.